Hi everyone, it's Bob with CellTechProductions.com. This is part 3 of the advanced drum lessons with Les DeMerle. In this video, Les shows you a sticking pattern that uses eighth note triplets. This sticking pattern allows the right hand to move freely around the kit. So let's go.
I'd like to show you a sticking built on the eighth note triplet that has worked for me through the years. The basic sticking is right, left, left, left. Right, left, left, left. And when I play this evenly in an eighth note triplet form, the sound would be right, left, left, right, left. This sticking, when applied to the drum set, enables the right hand to work around the toms and cymbals to make up several different combinations. I'd like to first show you the left hand on the snare while playing the right hand on the small mounted tom-tom. Now if I decide to work around the kit and travel from the mounted tom to the floor tom-tom, the sound would be this, high to low. If I invert that and I go up the set, it would of course be low to high. That would sound like this. Now I'm going to go down the set and up the set. High to low, low to high. Now the combination of using this kind of a technique, it can be used in basically any kind of a rudiment or sticking where you're playing multiple notes on the left hand while the right hand is traveling and playing accents on the toms or cymbals. This particular sticking, right, left, left, I'd like to incorporate now into a solo form. I'll be basing the solo idea on that sticking. Right, left, left. See if you can stay with this.